face. Man, I'm so sick of the up and downs. Put some Vicks on it, it's a cold case. Cold world, that depression, now your ass stuck, sat in such a known place. Battle of the mind, going hella crazy, showing at your poker face. Dark place, blind lead the blind, where they switch it up in the lick of time. I ain't right, but I hit the wrong line. Now it's static, and you need a cosign. I ain't diplomatic in the midst of shit, when the devil's breaking up cohesiveness. Sabotage, all affairs, throw it in the air, now it's meaningless.
Losing my mind, losing control. I'm out my mind, losing my mind. I'm out my mind, losing my mind, losing control. I'm out my mind, losing my mind. I'm out my mind. I'm going psycho, going insane. These thoughts in my mind won't exit my brain, exit my brain, exit my brain. Won't leave my head, won't leave my head.
Yo, that red light foot on the dash, that emotion be so drastic. When the anger and that bullshit come, get a ticket, I'm a first class shit. Then you get that green light, you forget about all the good shit. No sympathy, it don't matter, now your ass empty, taking out the trash shit. Get the zip ties and the duct tape, wrap it up like a condom. Got some loopholes they don't tell you about, they swear on it. Solemn, I'm frustrated with the drama shit. If you fake, homie, you a counterfeit. Been built, taking all the weight, soon as you be great, now we got a conflict.